Hello children. Now we have to discuss how to create a blank database in MS Access. So to create or to start with MS Access as it is displayed on the screen, we have three ways. We can create blank presentation, blank database. Next we can create using template. Next is without templates. And last one is database in which we can take source from or we can take database from any other source. So in our course we only have to see that how to create a blank database in MS Access. Here children, you should know that what is templates. What are templates? So templates are pre-built database focused on a specific task, and these can be used instantly and can also be downloaded. That is, templates means something ready made which is given in the computer for use. Means already the formats are given in the computer in MS Access. You have to select according to your requirement. Those are called templates and they are given ready made in MS Access. Now, to create a blank database, we have to very first start MS Access, and to start MS Access we know that first we have to click on the start button. From there you have to select all programs, then Microsoft Office, and finally Microsoft Access 2010. After doing this much, as you select new option from file menu, from menu bar you have to select file menu, and after clicking on the file menu you have to select new option. As you select new option you get this type of interface which is on the screen. Many options are given there. We have to select blank presentation. When we select blank presentation, it is totally up to you what way you have to design, what way you have to create your table in MS Access. And finally, after selecting blank presentation, somewhere here in the corner create option is given. So you have to click on create button. After doing this much, we get this interface. Here, left hand side pane is called navigation pane. This portion. And here, many options are given for your database. That is, you can create tables, you can create forms, queries, reports, etc. from here, from navigation pane. Now from here we have to select option tables. I'll click on table option. As we click on table option, blank table will appear on the screen. And for that blank table, now you have to create fields. To create fields, you have to select its data type, name of the field, its data type and its description. So the screen which is given on the screen, this interface will be there, and here you have to write name of the field, data type and description. This is field's name, this is type of data, and this one is description. Description is entirely optional, means you can leave it, but first two columns are mandatory, it is compulsory. So name of the field and data type. Now entering field and data type, that we will see in the next chapter. So first we have to do this much. Then here MS Access will ask you to save your table. You will give the name of the table and save it. Keep it safe in MS Access. So this much you have to do to create one blank presentation. Here data type is very important topic in which we have to discuss a lot, that we have to see in the next chapter. Here in this topic we will finish with this. And finally, how to close MS Access. You will click on the close button given at the right top corner, and then click on the file button and exit. So this is all about how to create blank presentation, how to enter MS Access, how to create blank presentation, and then how to close it. Thank you.